guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all safe, well, and healthy. I hope everyone is in good standing with their health. I know we will be technically getting back to normal. Make sure you guys are protecting yourself as much as possible. Please protect yourself as much as possible. Okay guys, so for today's video, we will be doing something new. It's not really new to the beauty community. It's not new in techniques per se, but it's new to me. Today will be my first time using this technique. I hope you guys stay a while, grab your makeup brushes, and join me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is safe and healthy. I am finally done with school for this semester. I'm done. I'm glad. I've been called back to my job, which I'm really kind of excited for. Not really, I mean I am, but I'm not. Like, I'm excited because it's just a little bit of normalcy coming back into, back into my routine. So that's the only exciting thing about it, because I don't know. But we are taking precautions, so I hope everyone is taking precautions. Really hope everyone's taking precautions and wearing their mask and whatever protective gear they need. So guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is new to me, and we will be using the Neutrogena facial cleansing bar. This was the only transparent clear soap that I could find at the drugstore. I bought this at Walmart. Yeah, I bought this at Walmart. I really wanted to try it because I want that fluffy brow effect. You guys know, maybe I said that in my last video that I was looking for something to give me that fluffy brow effect on a budget, because I'm really not trying to break my pockets. I'm really not. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's open this up. So it's like this, and it smells like dial soap. I hate dial soap. Ugh. Anyways, so guys, I'm going to be using my Morphe. It's a Morphe dual ended. It has a spoolie and then it has a little angled brush. I've seen videos on this. It looks pretty simple. Hopefully this works in my favor. I really want it. Alright guys, so let's get started. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this soap little thingy, the soap bar, in its wrapping, and I'm just going to spritz it with this. I guess you could use water, but it's gonna work the same. And then I'm gonna go in with the spoolie. Alright, so I'm going to brush up my brows. And I don't have anything on my brows right now. Woo, look at that, guys. What? Oh. I really like that. I really like that, guys. I really do. And that was really easy. That is so easy. Now I'm going to go in with a concealer. Now I'm going to grab this concealer. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 22 Weeks. I'm going to put a little bit right here. Just a little bit. We're going to just carve out the bottom of my brow. And let's see how that looks. And I'm going to go in with the AOA Studio High Define Brush E103. We're just going to buff that out. I really like this. I really do. I'm going to try to brush them up a little bit, and I'm going to see if I can get a little bit more fluff. Alright. So here's a little bit of a fluffier brow, and this is more of a defined brow. I like the fluffier look better. Guys, look at that. Okay, let me see if I can zoom you guys in. But look how pretty my brows look. I really do like them. Guys, I think this is the game changer. I really do. I think this bar of soap was like $2, like $1.97 maybe. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna have that link below. But I really do like that. Alright guys, so that is our video for today. I know it was a shorter video, but I really did like this. Like, I really did. I hope you guys try this out. Please let me know down in the comments below if you guys try this out, because this is a very cheap alternative for brows, for that brow gel. It really is. I mean, you can just go with no makeup and slap some of this on. It'll work. It'll work. Like, I feel like it, like, look guys, look. It is just so cute. It's really, really cute. I really do like it. So, yeah. I will have everything I used on my face down below. Today I used for the first time the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy. I really love anything dewy. So I tried it. I mean, it's okay so far. Please, guys, please be safe out there. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye, guys.